What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the freaking vlog. मुझे भी पता है. Right now we are having workers over here. एक electrician है, एक carpenter है, and they are working.
On भाई हवा तेज.
Electricians working on fans right now. Fans fit कर रहे हैं. I wanted to show you guys the before and after of the house. So the before looks like. So this is the before. That it just saw was the before of the house. मेरा voice echo हो रहा है इस रूम के अंदर. We are gonna get everything set up. Beds लगाने वाले हैं, sofas लगाने वाले हैं. Because it's gonna be a service apartment obviously. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं ladder लेने के लिए. That is 6 steps ladder. Because हमारे पास नहीं है. The electricians need one obviously. खाना भी नहीं खाया अभी तक. So right now we'll go there. Buy the ladder, get some breakfast, then I'll come back and edit for some time. Then I'll post you guys vlog. That is the vlog for you guys. Day before भी नहीं post किया. These are the fans. These are some good. So guys, now I'm in an auto. It's been like 8-9 years since I've sat in an auto. My dad has treated me well. I've lived a rich lifestyle. और इधर है हमारा ladder. आपको कौन So अभी हम बहुत जा रहे हैं. I'll pick up the vlog when I reach home. We're getting the ladder down. So guys, I just reached home. और इधर है सारा fan. He has set up everything. It's the last fan that he's setting up. First floor say he'll start fixing it. Start in this house first, then go up, go up, go up, go up. Like that only he'll go up. I'll pick up the vlog when he starts fixing the fans. So back in the house and that guy is working hard. Fan fix kar raha hai and I'm not working hard because I'm just watching him fix the fan, not even editing yesterday's video for you guys. But I will edit it soon. बाद में करूँगा. Abhi I have to take care of that. My dad is taking care of one thing, that is carpenter. और मैं इसको देखने वाला हूँ. So sometime I'll be watching this. Then I'll pick up the vlog while I started it. Before I start editing. अभी खाना भी नहीं खाया and there's our breakfast. There, right there, yeah. That's the cover is our breakfast. So I'll meet you guys soon.
So guys, things are crazy right now, but I'm not. It doesn't have a vlogger.
One fan ready.
3 weeks later.
So guys, this is the bird that I saved yesterday and here's some of that footage. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So abhi time ho raha hai somewhere near the in the afternoon. I don't know what time it is. And look at this dude. Yo. This bird fell from top. There are many in our apartment, so we can't keep them here. Obviously, ganda kar dete hain apartment ko. So while cleaning it, this thing fell down, and we're gonna save it, I guess.
ಅದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ
Hi bro.
ಚೂರು ಗಾಯ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರಾಮ್
Guys, मैंने एक छोटा सा घर बना दिया. This is the water which I spilled from this bowl. Don't mind me. So let me keep it there. It needs some rest for 2 days at least, cause ऊपर से नीचे गिरा उठने. It tried to fly itself, but it couldn't. It fell down. So me being the good guy. Oh bro, I'm spilling water again. Oh, it's drinking it! Oh! हम जा रहे हैं 4th floor because the bird fell from there. और उसका पप्पा भी उधर ही होगा. I guess it's there because भाई बहुत छोटा है. It can't eat on its own. It has to get fed by its parents. I guess parent birds. Buddy, hope your parents find you or you're gonna die. Just kidding. तो ये है setup. It's gonna stay there, and when the parents come, it will feed them. So yeah, we save the bird. Yep, हमने इसको 4th floor में जोड़ा था और अभी नीचे आ गया. This is the basement. I don't know how we managed to come down, but the thing is he can't fly because of his wings. This part, it's hurt. He's hurt that side. We just kept him in this ball yesterday. You guys saw that. So अभी इसको पानी भी इधर ही रख दिया हूँ. I'll just put him here and keep him in the side because लोग नीचे आते हैं, नीचे आ रहे हैं, ऊपर जा रहे हैं. There's work going on in the house, and if they don't see him and they keep their foot on him, the guy will be squished. I don't want to tell it, but yeah, he'll be squished. So don't worry, we're helping you. What's up, Ramesh uncle? Ramesh uncle. हाय ये ब्रो द गाय हेल्प मी अभी उन्होंने ही इसके अंदर डाला ब्रो सेफ योर अंडरस्टैंड भाई बाहर जाएगा तो पैर के नीचे आके मर जाएगा चूतिया इधर ही बैठ बैठ सिट हियर आई एम नॉट कीपिंग यू कैप्टिव आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू हील यू आफ्टर यू गेट हील्ड जस्ट रोम वेयरएवर यू वांट holy shit bhai I was recording till now before this I thought I was recording a video but I was recording I just took 3 photos bro what the fuck but let me tell you what I came here for I came here to buy lunch this is a meal for one that's papad papa me share karenge and I want to buy some coffee cause Chikmagalur is famous for coffee they grow coffee even we grow coffee and I was showing you the other day in that vlog coffee yeah the vlog so yeah, तो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ कॉफ़ी लेने sorry not coffee it's actually a chocolate milkshake by the way so I had gone there like when I had gone to estate when we came back I ate there but the chocolate milkshake was 150 or 120 bucks मुझे पता नहीं I didn't want that much to be spent by my uncle and aunt for me so I thought I'll go some other day and get it so अभी मैं उधर जा रहा हूँ and मेरे पास मेरा वॉलेट है सब कुछ है अभी I'll go there I'll buy chocolate milkshake and come back That took a minute. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So I got my chocolate and banana milkshake, not just chocolate, just chocolate and banana milkshake. I want to give it a try. I've been waiting for this for like 4 days, 5 days. By 5 दिन हो गए मुझे लग. Let me try. Bro, I just went to heaven and came back. भाई हर बार यही बोलता हूँ, but I seriously went to heaven and came back. This is one of the best things I've ever had, but the banana just threw it away a little bit. But yeah, it's too good. तो अभी मुझे घर जाना है. I'll meet you guys after I go home. Guys, मैं अभी नहा धो के आ गया हूँ वापस and I'm shirtless again. And I think you guys should make a habit of seeing me shirtless now and then. हमारा घर पे कारपेंटर आए थे and they were fixing stuff. There was a small thing that happened. Not a small thing, it's actually a big thing. So we told them to fix these, okay, and these, and this over there, here, right here. But क्या हुआ कि I think my voice is echoing. Let me talk a little softly so that it doesn't echo a lot. When he made a hole here inside, he drilled through the pipe. The white color thing you see is the pipe, and when you turn on the water. No. Shit. That happens and my camera is on it. Let me just wipe it and go back. Okay, it's all cleaned up and whoa! Oh, I'm in the room. Yeah, that was like a transition. I did a transition, don't worry. तो अभी करने के लिए कुछ काम नहीं है. I just edited the vlog. Let me upload it real quick. Upload करने के बाद I don't have anything. And I think I'll watch a movie, spend some time. फिर रात को सोने के पहले I'll edit this vlog what you're watching right now and I'll go to bed. It's me Rithvik again. Yeah, obviously I am Rithvik. This is my channel. तो अभी तक मैं edit कर रहा था and the time right now is 2:44 in the afternoon. ये next day edit कर रहा हूँ. So I just finished editing. I had to make a outro. I forgot. तो अभी बारिश भी आ रहा है बाहर. I had planned for some other videos today which I had to go out but unfortunately it started raining but रुकेगा तब करूँगा तो अभी I'll outro this real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it obviously like and subscribe and I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Till then stay safe and I'm out. Peace. That was cringy but yeah peace.